Shy. Babe! Babe! Babe!
I can't hear you.
Go call your daddy, Shy. Go. Go, baby. He's like walking towards his dad. Go call daddy. Go. Babe! He said the B word. No. Go call daddy. Go call him. I'm recording you. Go. Run over. Run. Why? Why no?
No.
Why? You were calling him earlier. Why can't you call him now?
No.
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 Why?
No.
Why, Shy?
No.
Why are you being mean?
You know the difference in the stomach when you have baby and Shy?
Huh?
Like, you know how some people, they say, if you're having a girl, the stomach is wide. When you're having a boy, it's supposed to be round. Did you notice your stomach?
Yeah. I mean, with Nadine, my stomach was kind of dropped. And then with Shy, my stomach was up.
Oh, yeah?
Wait. I don't remember, but it was different, though. Babe! Oh.
Yeah.
It's so funny. You're kind of too big to kind of notice right now, so. Yeah. Hi, Boo Boo. I record too much videos of you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.